Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling.And we're talking about transportation and traveling to different places. It could be about taking the bus, the taxi, the MRT, or the train. But most exciting is when you take an airplane. 对不对？
对。
So why don't we teach you terms associated with taking the plane? All right. But first, this month's theme is I need to get off at a certain destination. 我要下车。
我要下車。
我要下車。但在这个 case 我们应该是我要下飞机了。对不对 Well, anyways, let's talk about taking the airplane and things, terms associated with it. So how about 转機 transferring? Okay, it's a hassle, but it happens all the time. How do you say that?
轉彎飛行機。
轉彎飛行機，飛行機應該是飛行機吧？飛行機。
飛機的意思
就是飛機嘛，
其實就是要你轉換飛機嘛。
哦，所以其實轉機那個前面兩個字。轉彎其實就是在轉換的意思了，對不對？就大概懂的意思。所以轉彎，that means transfer, but transferring an airplane.
飛行機。那海陸腔，轉彎飛行機。
哦，轉彎飛行機 That's a different dialect again for transferring at an airport. When you go take a plane, most of the time you probably have to check in your luggage or your baggage check. 对不对？好，那这个托运怎么说？
托運。
Okay, 不是頭暈哦。頭暈 Okay, it sounds like I have dizziness right now. It actually means a baggage check. Okay?
我知道頭暈是因為自己拖很久。
對，真的是要找那個櫃檯，有時候會頭暈啊。對。順便就叫櫃檯好了。好。At the check-in counter, how do you say that? 報到的櫃檯。
報到服務台。
我們的寶島啊，寶島服務台嗎？報到呢？
報到就是要報到。
哦，是報到 That's registration check-in. 報到 It sounds like Formosa Island. Okay.
報到服務台。
報到服務台 Let's make a sentence 好了。我們就說，請問報到櫃台在哪裡
？OK. 報到服務台在哪？
報到服務台 Again, that's the check-in counter. Dunai, where is it at? Let's review all these terms. Transfer, 轉機。
轉彎飛行機。
轉彎飛行機 And then you have your baggage check, 要托運。
托運
And you have the check-in counter, 報到櫃台。
報到服務台。
報到服務台 And that does it for our Practical Hakka.
是母胎嘎。
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.